Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is one of those days where all I want to do is crochet, so I thought it would be fun to take you guys with me on one of my crochet marathons. This is what I started yesterday. It's going to be a blanket. You start by making 2 rounds of a circle in your chosen color, and then you add a border with your main color. I'm using the color ivory. On the last round, we use a join as you go method so that you don't have to sew your squares together at the end. We're gonna see how much progress we can make in 3 hours. And I hope that you can pick up one of the projects that you are working on and you can crochet along with me. We are taking it down to the floor for our stretch break. I have a yoga mat set up and I have my iPod and speakers. What I'm gonna do is turn on one song, and for the entire song, I'm just gonna stretch or move my body in some sort of way, maybe dance a little bit, and then we'll get back to crocheting. Okay, we've just finished our stretch, so we're gonna get right back to work.
Hours later.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Bye.